Hi everyone, Alistair here again with another McCalls Schoolwear uniform tips video. Today we will be looking at how to measure your daughter for her new high school skirt. Like my blazer video, the first thing you need is a tailoring tape. If you still don't have one of these, we have free disposable tapes at the shop which you can call and collect at your convenience. Once you have your tape, you want to get two measurements, one for the waist and one for the length. I have Sophia to help.
Hi.
So the first thing we do is measure around the waist. At its narrowest point on the body, the tape's not too loose or too tight, and take your measurement. Sophia here is measuring 24. To get the length measurement, you want to start your tape at this point here and go down the front of the body like this and get the desired length. Sophia here is measuring 20 inch to her knee. Now my top tip here is to order the exact measurement you have. This will get you a correct size of skirt as the skirts are true to size. If you want to factor in some growing room, you can. 1 inch, I wouldn't go much more than this because the skirt will sit low on the hip and get quite loose at the side. It's a simple tip, but you'll get a great result. But don't worry, if you don't get it right the first time, we always change any schoolwear item for size before school starts. Just leave those labels on. Thanks folks, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.